To create an account on Writesonic.com. First of all, you will go to their main website and you can go up here and choose from Get Started or Sign Up. First of all, you can just click on the Get Started. It will take you to different website and you can choose from different options. For example, go with Google or just type in the name and business email. I will go with Google. I will choose from my emails and click on the continue button and I will get in Writesonic.com. Right now I have created my account and I can go to the menu, to the options. I can look on my preferences, languages, profile details, the usage, plans, everything, the options here. I can also request a feature or go to the app dashboard. We will look on more information in the next video. See you in the next one.